What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be exploring the Alaska State Fair. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, we just arrived to the fairgrounds parking lot and we are about to experience the Alaska State Fair, so stay tuned. One thing that's cool about the Alaska State Fair is that the Alaska Railroad will actually pull in right there. And so you can get off the train. If you want to go on the train, you can get off the train and go straight to the fair, which is pretty cool. The fair entrance is right over here.
I think we used these.
One time, one today. Alright guys, I think we're gonna go take a look at some of the plants. Some of the Alaska's biggest growing cabbages and pumpkins and all that kind of stuff. We got kind of sidetracked. So watching some kind of show.
There it is! Yes! There we go, huh? How's it look? You can head back to your parents, okay? Give it up for him one more time! There we go.
That was pretty insane. He was doing some juggling knives on a unicycle, super high. It's insane. Some people are crazy. Yeah, let's go inside this one. This is like really cool art. I guess these are all replicas from Leonardo da Vinci. He designed a bunch of them. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, got my food. It's this delicious sandwich. How to get a milkshake too. We're gonna see how it tastes. Here we go.
What would you rate it?
Oh, 10 out of 10. It's so good.
What did you get?
I don't even remember. It was like a, what was it called? Like a deck ham. It was steak, onions, cheese, mushrooms, and there's this like sweet sauce on it too. It's so good. Alright guys, that food was so good, but now finally after all those distractions we're gonna go see the cabbages and all the other fun stuff in here. Oh, look at these pumpkins.
Oh, no, you're good. Another state record.
It's crazy. Those pumpkins weigh almost 2,000 pounds. It's just super impressive here in Alaska too. It's crazy. Alright guys, we're gonna go look at the cows now. Jesus. Whoa. Scottish Highland cow.
Hey, buddy.
All right, guys, we're gonna go check out some reptiles.
Wait, is it a video?
Look at this.
Oh yeah.
come on.
Oh yeah.
Let's see what it tastes like.
Oh yeah.
It was worth it, babe.
Yeah, yep, heck yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, guys, we've been here for a little while now, and we just picked up some vegetables, kombucha, and I think we're gonna start heading back to the car. But it's been super fun just to experience all the fun exhibits and cool stuff here. But hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like and subscribe. I got some more content coming out soon, so hope you guys enjoy.